So, continuing to talk about what was the Russian Revolution. So, there were actually two revolutions that occurred, and it's kind of confusing because one's in February and one's in October, but they used a different calendar than we did. They had a 13-day calendar. So, they're not really in February and October. So, anyways, the November Revolution, that's one that's referred to as the Bolshevik Revolution. We'll talk about that one quite often. So before the Russian Revolution, we had people called czars, and they were the rulers. They were like a king that ruled over Russia. So they didn't do a great job. The government was corrupt, it was ineffective, there was widespread poverty in the country, there was a scarcity of food, and the Russians suffered massive losses during World War One. So, as a result, there are some revolutions against the unfit government, and Tsar Nicholas II was forced to give up his throne, and basically him and his family were exiled, and they were eventually all murdered. You'll learn a little bit more about that tomorrow. But he was forced to give up the throne, and a group of elected officials called the Duma was put together, and this is like a temporary provisional government. And the Duma ruled until October, and it was led by a man named Vladimir Lenin, and he was leading the Bolsheviks, and they took control of the Russian government in a bloodless coup. So remember, that's a forcibly overthrow of the government. No one was killed in this one, but the Bolsheviks did gain support from the peasants, the urban workers, and the soldiers, because they all had problems of they didn't want to fight in the war, so that's the peace. They were hungry, so that's the bread, and the land was being unevenly distributed. So the Bolsheviks signed a peace treaty with Germany, and they got to come out of World War One, which made the soldiers happy, and they finally renamed the country as the Union of the Soviet Republic, USSR, also known as the Soviet Union. They established the world's first communist nation. So what was Russia like leading up to the revolution? They were hungry, there was corrupt government, a lot of bad things going on. What is the Duma? This is the provisional government that was put into place after the Tsar was exiled and forced to give up his throne. What decisions did the Bolsheviks make shortly after taking over? The Bolsheviks signed a peace treaty with Germany, taking Russia out of World War I. And after the Bolshevik Revolution, what was Russia called? They renamed Russia to become the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, also the USSR, or the Soviet Union.